We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive overview of the Chunace toilet bowl nightlight motion sensor. This unique and practical gadget has captured the attention of many users, and here is what they have to say about it. If you already own this product, we encourage you to leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The Chunace toilet bowl nightlight is designed with a motion and light sensor that activates when movement is detected within 5 feet. This feature ensures that the light only turns on when needed, making it a convenient addition to your bathroom setup. Users appreciate that the light automatically turns off after 2 minutes of inactivity, which helps prolong battery life. This thoughtful design has been praised for its practicality, especially during nighttime visits to the bathroom. One standout feature of this toilet light is its ability to display 16 different colors. Users can choose between a rotation of colors or single solid color, allowing for customization based on personal preference or mood. Many reviewers found this feature delightful and even described it as adding a touch of fun to their bathroom decor. It is particularly appreciated by parents for making potty training more engaging for children. The Chunace toilet bowl nightlight also offers 5 brightness levels, giving users control over the intensity of the illumination. The external-facing controls make it easy to adjust settings without hassle. Reviewers noted that this flexibility allows them to create an ambience that suits their needs, while ensuring the light is not too harsh during nighttime use. Installation is another area where this product shines. Its compact design and soft, flexible arm make it easy to attach to any type of toilet bowl without requiring an outlet socket. The advanced low-power technology ensures that a set of 3 AA batteries can last up to 12 months, depending on usage. While some users mentioned that inserting the batteries could be slightly challenging, they generally agreed that it was a minor inconvenience compared to the overall benefits of the product. The Chunace toilet bowl nightlight has also been praised as a unique and versatile gift idea. Whether given as a gag gift or a practical present, it has brought smiles to many faces. Customers have shared stories of gifting this item at white elephant parties or during holiday gatherings where it was received with laughter and appreciation. While most reviews are overwhelmingly positive, there are a few minor drawbacks mentioned by users. Some reported difficulty keeping the light in place when lifting the toilet lid, particularly in older or larger toilet models. Others noted that one of their purchased lights did not have all 16 colors as advertised, which led to some disappointment. However, these issues were generally considered minor and did not overshadow the overall satisfaction with the product. One reviewer shared an interesting anecdote about how this toilet light became unexpectedly useful during a power outage caused by Hurricane Delta. They described how the motion-activated light provided much-needed illumination in their bathroom when no other light source was available. This story highlights the practicality and versatility of this product beyond its intended use. Another user mentioned their initial skepticism about the necessity of such a gadget, but admitted that they quickly became a fan after experiencing its convenience firsthand. They appreciated not having to turn on harsh overhead lights during nighttime trips to the bathroom and found the motion sensor highly reliable. The durability and longevity of this product have also been commended by longtime users. One customer shared that their original purchase lasted for years before they decided to replace it with a new one, simply because they didn't want to change batteries on an older unit. This speaks volumes about the quality and reliability of the Chunace toilet bowl nightlight. Overall, this product has proven itself as both a practical and entertaining addition to any bathroom. Its combination of functionality, ease of use, and customizable features makes it a favorite among users of all ages. Whether you are looking for a fun gift idea or a solution to brighten up your nightly routine, the Chunace toilet bowl nightlight is worth considering. If you are intrigued by this product and want to learn more or make a purchase, you can find it through the link provided in this description. Supporting our channel by using this link helps us continue bringing you detailed reviews like this one. For those who already own this item, we encourage you to share your experiences in the comments section below. Your feedback can help others decide if this unique gadget is right for them.